Why is it important to know your purpose in life?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is important to know your purpose in life because that's what makes us living in this world. Once you know, you are going to conquer at least two Mount Apo mountains. First is conquering others. Despite the criticisms that I have received throughout this pageantry, it not let me waver, for I believe I can embrace the challenge, and for it is my calling. Therefore, it is my purpose. Second, I conquer myself. Despite the self-doubts within me, all those anxiety whispering that I am not good enough, I pray to God, knowing what really is my purpose. And I stand right in front of you here tonight, not just to walk perfectly, but to walk with purpose and lead by example. And that, ladies and gentlemen, we must abide by our purpose through praying to God and to believe in yourself. Remember, conquer yourself and others. That's how you find your purpose. Thank you.